Hi, welcome. There's a special announcement right now. I'm starting a WhatsApp course on self-hypnosis. Learn self-hypnosis to reprogram your subconscious mind. Yes, my friend, it's a WhatsApp course and it's a 15-part course. You'll get every day one lesson. Now, my friend, I'm Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. I conduct live training programs in Hyderabad only, but a lot of people, they keep talking to me, keep calling me because they cannot come to the workshop here. So they wanted to learn self-hypnosis. So they keep me asking to start a WhatsApp course. That's why here is a WhatsApp course right now, which is going to start from 15th of January 2019. Now remember, it's a WhatsApp course. You will get a lesson every day on your WhatsApp. It's audio files where I will be talking to you, instruction which you can just put on a speaker mode and practice the exercises, or you can download in your computer and practice. It's a 15-day course where you will learn self-hypnosis. You will learn self-hypnosis to program your mind. By using this technique, you can go into self-hypnosis in a few seconds and then program your subconscious mind and come out. The whole thing will take 2 to 3 minutes. Now, if you have a longer programming, it can take 10 minutes. I practice self-hypnosis every day. In fact, I work with the top level sportsmen in India and abroad, and the first thing I do, I teach them an instant self-hypnosis. That's what you're going to learn here. And then you will learn how to create affirmations or auto suggestions to program your subconscious mind. You will learn a formula, how it works, and plus I find out more than affirmations, there is something more powerful. It's called questions. Tony Robbins says the questions are more powerful than affirmation. Quality of your life depends on the quality of question you ask yourself. We'll be giving you a simple question, simple affirmations to practice. And then to take the maximum benefit out of self-hypnosis, we'll be learning creative visualization. Yes, visualization is very, very important. You will learn how to do it, and we'll give a lot of creative visualization techniques for you to practice regularly. Plus, you will get some bonus material. You'll get a complete audio file of my self-hypnosis CD, Master Self-Hypnosis, which is around 4 different sessions. By the time you listen to all 4, you would have mastered self-hypnosis. But you'll be learning more also in the audio also. This is a bonus. Plus, you will get an ebook, Creative Visualization ebook, written by me. It's a wonderful book. So you can utilize this Creative Visualization book for your programming of your subconscious mind, and you will learn by doing it. It's a practical workshop. It's the first time we are starting here, and it is starting on 15th of January 2019. And now what is the course fee? That's right, normally we charge 3,000 rupees, but we are doing it right now. This is only introductory, the first course, because we have a lot of inquiries about different WhatsApp courses. But as you are starting with the self-hypnosis course, it's a pre-launch. We'll be giving you only for 1,000 rupees. Yes, 1000, 1,000 only. And you'll get the benefit of bonuses also. Plus, it is a practical workshop where I'll be guiding you with audio files. You have to just listen and practice. So my friend, if you really want to master self-hypnosis, click on the link below, or if you're watching on a YouTube or somewhere, click on the link, come to my website and register right now. Another important thing, on my website, there will be a mobile number given there. You have to register that mobile number in your mobile with our name, because we will not making a group. We will be broadcasting list. You will get only when you have that number saved in your mobile. So my friend, if you really want to learn self-hypnosis, this is a course for you. So click on the link below and register right now, and we'll start talking to you and start getting from 15th of January. That means you have to register before 14th. From 15th, we'll start our first lesson and get 15 lessons every day. So I'm sure we are really excited. I am also excited. So see you on 15th of January. Register right now. Thank you very much.